Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a very special video. It is a collab with Merit Beauty. I am so excited to announce a very new product in their line. It is the Merit Glow Skin Moisturizer. So if you guys have tried that glow skin serum and you really love it, I think you're gonna also love this moisturizer. Also, this is a double collab, guys, because I am collabing with my good friend Joy from Organized with Joy. You have to check her channel out. I have nothing but good things to talk about her channel. She lives the minimalist lifestyle. She's super organized. She shows her home. I love her decor style. Her channel is all about home lifestyle, minimalism thrown in between, a lot of organization tips and tricks. You will learn so much from Joy. I did get to meet Joy already in person, which is so rare to do with all our friends here on YouTube, but I got to meet her in Arizona. So if you haven't checked that video out of all our Arizona shenanigans, you definitely have to look that up as well. I'll put it up in the cards right here. Her and I are constant Merit customers. We have done several collabs with Merit in the past, with all of their newer product launches. So this is just the perfect combo. If you want to learn more about Merit, don't forget to check out Joy and watch this video in full. So let's go ahead and get started. So Merit was so kind enough to send me some more Merit products in this collaboration. This one I'm super excited about. They sent me the Merit Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. So this is something that they've always had, and I've always wanted a full size of this. So thank you so much, Merit, for collabing with me and giving me a full size of their Great Skin Serum. So this is such an amazing serum. It works with a lot of different makeup products. I use it underneath, kind of like a priming product before I put on makeup, and it just smooths out the face and just, you know, makes it look a little bit more plump and healthy, or at least prepares your face for makeup application. So I really love this. For the longest time, I've only had the baby, and I think I've had 2 of these little tiny baby bottles, but now I have a full size. And so I cannot wait to use this up. The other thing that Merit gave me is another makeup brush. This is the brush N1. I love this brush, and actually this is going to be my second brush, and so I'm super excited about getting another one because Joy gave me the idea of using the second brush for a bronzer or like contouring. So I'm so excited about that. That is one other product, and I think that's the only product left that I haven't tried from Merit, which is their bronzing stick. So here's that brush, very dense, compact, but super duper soft. So now I have 2. Here's my dirty one. This is what I use to apply my Merit Minimalist concealer stick. So here's that. I'm so excited. Thank you again, Merit, for sending these products to me. They are 100% gifted. In case you guys are curious, I am in the color Camel. So this is what it looks like right here. Fresh new stick, but I still have some left from my other one. So I'm gonna hang on to this until I finish off the other Minimalist stick, which I have right here. Now, I love this Minimalist stick as a concealer slash foundation on no makeup days. It's very light. It's very glowy, healthy skin is what you end up with. I did notice that the Minimalist stick does not work well with setting sprays, although you don't really need it. It sets really nicely into your face, so in a way you don't really need a setting spray because it will melt into the skin nicely and just be kind of like your second skin. So I love that about it. Then the star of the show, Merit recently released their newest product in their line, which is the Great Skin priming moisturizer. So this one right here, this bottle right here is the Great Skin Serum, and this one is the moisturizer. So in skincare, you normally would apply your serum first, and then right on top is the moisturizer. So this one recently came out last week, so it's very new, and I cannot wait to be one of the first to try this out. Now, when I first got it, I thought the box was empty because it was super light. Unlike this container, it's like glass, heavy, you know, there's full of products. Now, I'm sure this is also full of product, but it's just, I think it's not glass. So I love the packaging though. This white packaging is beautiful, and white and gold. Oh, it's super nice. So this helps prime the skin. It's essentially a moisturizer, and I love putting on a really good moisturizer right after my serums, right underneath makeup. So this is what it looks like. It is a very nice pump. It has 1.7 fluid ounce. It helps smooth out the skin, preps the skin for makeup application, and it has a time release technology which hydrates the face and over time help with the skin elasticity. So let me show you what it looks like. It is a cream. It is not as thick or heavy as your typical creams would be, but let's go ahead and apply some on the face. It absorbs so nicely. I would say it's a little bit, just ever so slightly heavier than a gel, but not even close to being a cream, because oh my gosh, it feels so cold, so hydrating. I just want to take a bath in it. So it just instantly refreshed my skin. Look at that. So it gives you kind of a sheen on your face, on the skin, without being super oily, super dewy, if that makes sense. What I like to do though is give it a minute. I would wait a good 5 to 8 minutes before applying the Minimalist concealer stick. While we wait, I'm kind of contemplating on what type of Merit lipstick to use today. I do have a work potluck that I'm excited to go to, and I just kind of want to have that minimalist look without it being too like in your face. These are Merit's bullet lipsticks right here. They recently came out with a matte lipstick actually, and so I'm super duper excited about that. So this one is in the color Cavo. I think this is a nice brownie orange, perfect for the summertime. This next one is Le Avenue. Looks super deep. It's a deep brown. I would use this in the fall winter season. The Aperitif one is more of their holiday colored lipstick. So it's this one right here. I think I'm gonna go with this. Sometimes I like to mix lipsticks, so we'll see how the makeup goes. But okay, so I think we're ready for the Merit Minimalist. I love this color, guys. Color is everything in makeup. If it was a different color, this would not be good at covering dark circles under my eyes, but because it just matches me perfectly, it's so perfect at taking away those dark circles. You guys see the difference? It just took away that redness instantly. I like to use a sponge to really press that makeup in. What I love about Merit is that all of their products are non-comedogenic. That means that they're not gonna break you out. So they're dermatology tested. It's pH balanced to kind of work with your skin's natural moisture, and yeah, so it's just super amazing product. I am going to put the rest of my makeup on for you guys, And while I do that, I'll be talking more about Merit. Merit prides itself as being the antidote to an oversaturated world of beauty. It is a minimalist beauty brand that creates products that are safe for the skin, body, and the planet. All of their products are non-comedogenic, which means they are made with ingredients that will not clog your pores. As with everything, balance is the key to makeup. So Merit can be very hydrating, moisturizing, very good actually for like mature skin. But I still want to set the whole makeup. Sometimes I set their blush with another powdered blush on top. So it doesn't really sacrifice the color, but it helps with the longevity of the makeup. My favorite products from Merit are their highlighter sticks. This one is in the color Bounce, and this one is in the color Kava. I don't know if you guys can tell the pinkiness. So I think I'm gonna go with the pink this time. So sometimes your fingers are your best makeup applicator. With Kava on the middle of my nose. So I put on some lip liner just to kind of even out and have a nice base. And then I'm gonna put on aperitif. I forgot how bright this lipstick was, but I love it. It doesn't dry the lips out. Final look, what do you think? I had to go off camera to do my brows, my eyeliners, and mascara, but otherwise, this is Merit, guys. What do you think? I love this simple minimalist look, but you can also up it up a little, kind of like what I did today, and just put on my full face of makeup. If you are interested in Merit, guys, please do check out my shopping link in the description box below. Check out that link. It will definitely help me out. And also, guys, don't forget that every first purchase comes with Merit's signature bag. You don't have to spend a certain amount. You can buy one product and you get that signature bag. So it's an amazing deal. Also, Merit offers shipping on orders over $40. So definitely worth trying out Merit. If you are into that minimalist makeup, minimalist lifestyle, this is for you. And speaking of minimalist, the ultimate minimalist gal is my friend Joy. Joy and I have very different skin types, skin tones. So I think it'll be interesting to hear about her perspective on her Merit makeup and what type of blush and color choices that she is making with Merit. Also, I just want to give a shout out to my community of Merit lovers, Vanessa from Vanessa Beauty, Jessica from Jessica Myros, as well as Joy, of course, from Organized with Joy. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!